Welcome to episode 4 of Animal Workshop, where I film Tasmania's unique wildlife and I build things in the workshop. I know in episode 3 I said I was going to be filming platypuses, but that hasn't eventuated. I've been distracted down to a local surfing beach quite close to where I live to film some very small birds. In the second part, I'll be showing you how I built a camera slider. Now, this is not a big one like some of the other ones that I had. This is a little one that I can actually carry and actually use on an everyday basis. Getting close to the Thornbills and Pardalotes is pretty well impossible. So what I've done is tried to get them to come to me. Okay, it's time to retreat to the workshop. I've built much larger sliders, up to 6 metres long, with pan and tilt heads on them, but they're just too hard to handle by myself, and most of my filming is done in the bush by myself, so I needed a small slider that I could carry, but one that was still big enough to carry a bigger camera like the Sony FS700. So hence the design with the carriage running inside the rails. Everything's nice and confined inside, no dirt can get in, and it's much easier to carry, doesn't get caught on things. I've put extra threaded holes in the end of it, so at a later stage I can add a motor and drive and an XL cable up the centre of the thing connecting onto the carriage. The most crucial point of the slider is where the stainless steel bearings meet the plastic rails. I tried a few different things for the rails, but the plastic conduit, electrical conduit, 16 by 16 millimeter, seemed to be the smoothest thing I could find. It was also very cheap. The opposed ball bearings also allow the slider to be used upside down, so I can hang the camera out over things. Thanks very much for watching right to the end. Now, I'm sorry I didn't deliver the platypus as I promised in the last episode, but heck, the birds are pretty good anyway. Now, if you have any questions on the birds or the way I filmed them, or on the slider that I built, please don't hesitate to leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to be on the east coast of Tasmania in the next episode, probably, but I don't really know what I'm going to film yet, or what I'm going to look at. Anyway, until the next time, look after yourselves, and I look forward to seeing you again.